How long has he been doing this?
Yeah, nice going asking me. I don't pay attention to anything that comes within my eyesight, so you might want to ask someone else.
Find! Okay, I guess I do have to figure out who Slimmy is and where he is. But where on God's green earth could he be? Shut up! I can't stand the way you scream, it's so... Oh my god, you're acting so dumb! Get out of that! Ouch! Ah! Yes, I'm free! I want to see my mommy again! What the...
I'm sorry, Belgie, but it is my time to shine now.
Oh no, I'm getting sick. Oh no.
So I just broke into someone's house, killed a mom and a child, and took their possessed demon and skipped them out into the ocean just so that I could get a plant. What is wrong with me? I should probably get myself checked into a mental institute.
So yeah, basically I have Slimmy here now. Yo, what is up? My name is Slimmy, and I am here now. I totally did not say anything. Slimmy! Dun 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 dun.